Our next caller is Kathy from Gray. Hi, Kathy. Kathy? Hello, is Kathy?
Yes, it is.
Hi, Kathy. Go ahead with your question.
Yes, first of all, thank you for taking the time to serve our military families.
Thank you, Kathy.
My question is, if you have a military member who's overseas and the spouse is CONUS, and the spouse CONUS serves the military member overseas a degree of divorce, who should that military member overseas go to first regarding procedures, and are there any confidentiality or privacy act laws that should be followed regarding the processing of this information?
She read that question. Or she has a very organized mind.
Okay, Kathy, as I understand it, we have a spouse, a non-military spouse that's living here in the United States. Their military husband or spouse is overseas, and they want to be divorced. And your question is, who does the person overseas, the military spouse, go to talk to for legal advice? Is that the question?
That's correct.
Okay. All military members are eligible for free military legal assistance through their staff judge advocate's office. So they're going to have either a uniformed military attorney or a federal civilian attorney that will provide them with immediate legal assistance needs. Now, they can't represent them in court. Georgia has their military legal assistance program through the State Bar of Georgia, and there is a phone number through the State Bar that an overseas service member can call, and they will be lined up with an attorney that can assist them in prosecuting that divorce if they need to. Now, the fee may be a low fee or even a no fee, depending upon what that service member is, but it's a service offered by the State Bar of Georgia. So they have excellent access to military attorneys and to civilian attorneys. I don't care if they're riding around in a submarine 1,000 feet below the surface of the ocean. They have access to lawyers.
It's good to know.
And John participates in that program very diligently and has been recognized for like 15 years in a row as a participant in that program.
Good to know.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by